Good morning, students. Exercise 12.1 in the chapter area related to circle. See, in this exercise itself, first line they have given, if it is unless state otherwise, use pi is equal to 22 by 7. Whenever they mentioned, that time you have to use. If it is not mentioned the value, you have to use pi value as 22 by 7. First sum, the radius of two circle are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of two circles. So, what are the informations given? Two radius are given for you. That is, first circle is 19, second circle is 9. And you are going to find the circumference of the sum of the two circles. Radius of the circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of two circles. That is what you are going to find. Exercise 12.1. So, what are the informations given? First radius is given as 19 centimeters. So, I am writing it as R1. R2, that is a second circle radius, is given as 9 centimeters. So, I am taking it as this. Then this line is given circumference of the circle. Whatever bigger circle we are finding is equal to sum of the circumference of these two circles. So, that is the sum of the circumference of two circle. You are going to find the circumference of the newly formed bigger circle, that is capital R. We are going to find R1 and R2 are the informations given for you. Solution. What is the formula? Circumference of the circle is nothing but 2 pi r. So here we are mentioning it as first circle and second circle. So circumference of the first circle is 2 pi r1. That is nothing but 2 pi. For the first circle radius is 19. So I am substituting here 19 centimeter. Then circumference of the second circle is 2 pi r2. For the second circle radius is 9. So I am going to substitute 2 pi into 9 centimeter. Now it is given like that circumference of the bigger circle, that is newly formed circle, is equal to sum of the circumference of two circle. That is, what is the formula for circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Here radius I have to taken as capital R. So I am writing that 2 pi capital R is equal to 2 pi into 19 plus 2 pi into 9. That is a circle 1 plus a circle 2 I am adding. Now from this side I can take 2 pi as common. So I have written 2 pi as common. Inside the bracket I am writing 19 plus 9. So this side 2 pi is there, this side also 2 pi is there. I can cancel. This one is at left hand side, another is at right hand side. So if I am cancelling this, r is equal to 19 plus 9. 19 plus 9 is nothing but 28. Therefore radius of the new circle is equal to 28 centimeter. Second sum. The radius of the two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle having area equal to the sum of the areas of the two circle. It is the same as the sum. Here they are asking to find the radius using circumference. But in this sum, find the radius equal to the sum of the areas is given for you. Last sum it is a circumference. This is sum, it is area. Now, what are the informations given? First radius is given as 8 centimeter. Second circle radius is given as a 6 centimeter. Area of the circle is equal to sum of the areas of two circle. Last sum it is given as a circumference. Second sum it is given as area. That is what the difference. Find the radius of the new circle. Capital R only we are going to find. Solution. Area of the circle, what is the formula? Pi r square. So, area of the first circle is pi r1 square, which is equal to pi. Here r1 value is 8. So I am substituting here pi 8 square centimeter. Next case, area of the second circle is equal to pi r2 square. R2 value is 6. So I am substituting pi into 6 square centimeter. So what is the statement given here is area of the circle is equal to sum of the areas of two circles. So area of the circle is pi capital R square. R square is equal to first circle pi 8 square plus pi 6 square centimeter. Now the same way. Here pi is common, so I am taking pi as outside and I am squaring here. 8 square is nothing but 64. Pi I have taken already outside. 6 square is there, 36. Close the bracket, centimeter. Now both the side is pi is there, so I am cancelling these pi. R square is equal to, add up this 64 plus 36. When I am adding 64 plus 36, 100 centimeter. R is equal to square root of 100 centimeter. Finding the square root of 100 is nothing but 10. So R is equal to capital R, that is radius of the new circle is equal to 10 centimeter. Thank you.